Hi, my name is Emily Begovich, and I participated in the chocolate study. The proposed problem is that nursing school is stressful and that nurses need to learn how to manage their stress while they're in nursing school. Eating chocolate is one method of stress reduction for many people, and nursing students need to identify which type of chocolate tastes best so that when they are stressed eating, they may experience stress reduction. The purpose of this descriptive study is to identify the taste differences and preferences between chocolate A, Hershey's, and chocolate B, Dove. The results of this study may help researchers to understand the differences between the two brands of chocolate and allow for recommendations on which chocolate to eat when stressed. Informed consent was given to the participants of the study. In summary, for questions about this research, contact Janice Haba-Glos and Julie Woodworth. They can be reached through the Department of Nursing at Damon College. If you agree to participate in the study, the data will be destroyed after all data is compiled. The researchers will be the only ones to review the raw data, and the participant's identity will be preserved and will not be published with any finding of this study. Benefits of participation. They may assist the participant to identify a preference between two different types of chocolate, and the participant may experience some satisfaction from participating in this research. The risks involved in the study may temporarily increase your glucose and cholesterol levels, and participation in this study may also result in a craving for chocolate or s'mores. This is the research question for the quantitative research. Among RN to BS students, which chocolate is preferred, chocolate A or chocolate B? The independent variable in the quantitative method of study is the chocolate. The dependent variable in the quantitative method of study is the perceptions measured on a Likert scale questionnaire. The participant of this study was a 22-year-old female with no allergy to nuts or chocolate. This was the quantitative questionnaire that was given, and the answers were as follows. The participant answered that they were not hungry. They disagreed that they were hungry. They strongly agreed that they were concerned about cholesterol consumption and avoided cholesterol in foods and desserts. They agreed that they avoid unhealthy foods. They agreed that they love chocolate. They strongly disagreed that they hate chocolate. They were neutral about their love for Hershey's chocolate, and they agreed that they love Dove brand chocolate. These were the results for chocolate A, the quantitative research. The texture, they voted that they were neutral, they could eat it or walk away from it. The moistness, same result, they were neutral. For flavor, they voted that it was good, they would eat this chocolate if it was all they had. The appearance, they voted neutral, eat it or walk away from it. Overall rating was neutral, for a total of 16 points for Hershey's chocolate. For chocolate B, Dove, the texture was voted as excellent. They would eat this chocolate on a daily basis. The moistness, excellent. Flavor, excellent. Appearance was voted as good. They would eat this chocolate if it was all they had. And overall rating was excellent. The qualitative question for this study was to describe or tell about their experience of eating and tasting chocolate A. Participants stated that Hershey's chocolate had a very distinct flavor. It's very good for eating when baked into desserts or used in combination with other flavors. Eaten alone, the flavor is somewhat boring and texture is a bit waxy. The other question, how does the experience of eating and tasting chocolate A feel? The overall experience of eating Hershey's chocolate was a bit underwhelming and left the participant wanting something more satisfying. The qualitative question for chocolate B, describe, tell about the experience. The Dove chocolate had a creamy and smooth taste and the flavor was rich. Compared with the Hershey's brand chocolate, the Dove tasted more authentic. How does the experience of eating and tasting chocolate B feel to you? The overall experience of eating Dove chocolate was very pleasing. This was the analysis of the results. Overall, the results of both the quantitative and qualitative questionnaire show that Dove chocolate was the preferred chocolate for providing pleasure and reducing stress levels in nursing students.